Welcome to this Panorom Getting Started video. In this video, we will go through the main features of Panorom plugin and we will create our first tour under 5 minutes. So let's get started. When you install the Panorom plugin, you will get this left menu. And on the first page, not much happening. You can just press this Start Creating or come to this Editor menu. This page is where the main work happens. So on the top you can select your tool or copy your shortcode, and here in this image banner you can add image, and below that you have this preview. You can work directly in the preview, and then you have this settings menu. This settings menu will be applied to the whole tour. So let's add some images. I will select this image and also another image. Okay, so here in this preview, you can work directly. That means that if you right click on this preview, you will see the menu and the options that you can choose. And each option will have a small hint or a note that tells you what exactly that option does. So a good thing about the Panorom plugin is that you don't have to go to another page and see the documentation. The documentation is integrated inside the plugin. So here I will set the default direction. That means that when I come to the scene, that would be the default direction of the scene. I also want to add a hotspot. Again, when I right click on this hotspot, I will see the menu. And for the time being, I just want to go to the second scene. I press OK. So when I click on this one, I will come to the second scene. Okay, let's look at this settings menu. Here we have different options. We can have the responsive height. We can configure the zoom and auto rotate. For this one, I want to configure the auto rotate to 2 degrees per second and also only to the first scene. Okay, when you make some changes, you can see that this save button is activated. And before copying the shortcode, you have to save your tour. After saving the tour, I can copy this generated shortcode and let's go to a page and drop it there. Here I have created this Getting Started page, and to drop the shortcode, you need to have the shortcode block. By the way, if you are using any other page builder, you will be given this shortcode block for free. So here you can select that one and paste your shortcode inside this block. Let's update it and go to the page and see how it looks like. Here it is, exactly the tour that you made in the preview will be seen in the output. Very well. So I want to also show you some other features of the plugin. Here in the tours panel, here is the place that you can manage all your tours. So for the time being, we have the first tour and you can do the copy, edit or delete. For the time being, I want to copy this one. So I can edit the name. Let's call it the second tour. There it is. And then by clicking on this, on the name of the tour, I will go to the editor. And here we have the second tour, and which is the copy of the first tour. And you can work on this one. Let's go back to the tours menu. And yes, here I can also delete this tour if you want. Very good. The last option is the API. If you're happy with the plugin and you decide to go for the pro version, you can go to panorom.com and purchase the API key, and here you can enter that API key. So that's it. I hope this video was useful, and I wish you a lot of fun using Panorom plugin to create your virtual tours.